Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Study with Flow. I hope you all are doing extremely well. Well guys, in this video we are going to see TCS Ninja or Digital Profile Interview Experience of 6th October by two candidates. Okay, but before proceeding further to the video guys, make sure to do subscribe this channel if you haven't yet, and also press the notification bell so that you will never miss any update from this channel, right? So without wasting your time, let's get started with the video. Okay, so the very first interview is by Mudit Mishra. Okay, so his branch is CSE branch, means computer science. Okay, so he is from 2023 batch and the date of interview was 6th of October and time duration was 10 a.m. to 10:20 a.m. right? But the interview was started from 12:30 PM. So आपको वेट करना पड़ सकता है इंटरव्यू मीट में। आप ये ना सोचिए कि आपका इंटरव्यू नहीं होगा, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चों का इंटरव्यू उन लोगों को लेना होता है, तो लॉबी में आप लोगों को इन कर लिया जाता है एंड आपको बस वेट करना है अगर वो लोग नहीं आ रहे हैं तो। ओके, सो मेक श्योर टू वेट इफ यू have your interview. Okay, so these were the questions asked from Mudit. Okay, so the very first question was from female. Okay, so there were only two panelists, not three panelists. There were only two panelists. One is male and another one is female. So female asked to Mudit that how are you, Mudit? So simple. Okay, he replied that I am okay. And so then the next question was, now you can start with the introduction. So Mudit gave him introduction, and in introduction he added his his internship experience. Okay, he did an internship in the lockdown period, so he added the internship and his project and CGPA and academic backgrounds. Okay, then the male interview asked about his CGPA, right? So his CGPA was 8 plus, so this make a good impact on them. Okay, then the female candidate, the female interviewer asked him that what are your favorite subjects and two. Okay, then Mudit said that Java and C++ both are my favorite languages or favorite subject you can consider, right? Then the next question from his favorite subject or preferred subject, right? So what is the difference between C++ and Java? And he gave three differences. Okay, then he said okay, it's enough. Okay, then the next question was, is Java pure object oriented language? So Java is not a pure object oriented language because there are primitive data type support in Java. So to make a programming language purely object oriented, there is no support, there should be no support to primitive data types, but Java supports the primitive data types. So Java is not purely object oriented programming language, right? So the next question was from C++, what is inline and friend function in C++? You have to explain very well. So Mudit explained with an example. So the next question was from Java, what is interface in Java? The question asked from Mudit was only from C++ and Java, his preferred languages, right? Then the next question was difference between inheritance and polymorphism. Again, the OOPS concept, or you can say C++ concept or Java concept, right? And then why do you want to join TCS and the CEO of TCS? So if you don't know the CEO of TCS, so Mr. Rajesh Gopinathan is the CEO of TCS in present, right? So this is all about Mudit Mishra interview. So if you are watching, if Mudit is watching this video, so thank you so much, Mudit, for sharing your experience. Okay, so moving on to the next. Next is by Ananya. So Ananya is also from 2023 batch and her branch is also computer science, and the date of interview was same 6 October, and her interview was around 11 to 11:15, only 15 minutes of interview. Okay, then the very first question was, tell me about yourself, and then why IT companies, why don't you like to join UPSC or something else? Why do you want to join only TCS? Or why do you want only IT companies, right? So she replied that in my graduation period I realized that I am a technical sort of person, and this type of answer she replied. Okay, and the next question was, what are your projects? So she has only one project, so she simply replied, I have only one project, but the project is this is based on machine learning, right? Then he asked from her that what is the future scope of your project and what was your role in your project. and then he asked, only one panelist was there, and he was a male, right? So then the next question was oops concept. So she told him that there are four basic oops concept or main concepts, and she told him with a real world example, right? Then he asked her that what is your preferred language, or how many languages do you know? So she replied that I know Java. Okay, then the next question, how many types of inheritance are there in Java? So देयर इज नो मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस। ओके, बेसिकली वो यही जानना चाह रहे थे कि क्या इसको ये पता है कि मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस इसमें है या फिर नहीं है, राइट? देन द सीईओ ऑफ टीसीएस, तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड दैट सीईओ ऑफ टीसीएस इज राजेश गोपीनाथन, so make sure that you know this, right? Then any paperwork submission you have done? So she didn't so she simple replied, no sir, I didn't, right? Then the next question was, how will you lead a team? So if you become a team leader in TCS, then how will you manage your team, how will you lead a team? So she replied that I can manage the team by direct and real communication and transparency, these type of replies she covered. And then the next question was, or the last question was, what is constructor and destructor? So she replied that constructor is a method which has the same name as the class name. It is used to initialize the object, and destructor precede with the tilde symbol, and it is used to free the extra resources allocated, and so on. This is all about this video. I hope all the interview experiences are clear to you. If you still have doubts and you want to share your own experience, then you can comment down your query or comment down your interview experience with us. Okay, so we will upload further, so stay tuned with us. So we will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.